shame.
I'm Zwan, I'm alive. I can't even look at people in the eye when I'm live.
Why?
Because I'm shy.
Why now? Yo, okay. For your information, guys, yes, it's happening. There you have it. That's what you do. Mong in the phone in OT. Yebo.
That's how I always. That's how I always answer the phone. Don't I? Yebo. Abathi like ring. Molo baby omkhulu endimthandayo. Inhliziyo yami yonke. Ngibekile babathanda.
Waqala ngalesixhosa sakho Nkosi yami. Uyandidida uthini? What did you say now?
I said that I don't know how they want me to greet. They get saying ring. How must I greet?
Banyaku greet how it.
But that's how I greet all the time.
Yebo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see if my wife but my wife would never join that. Who sent that?
Hey.
Why are they giving you hearts? Because they
love me.
How? Okay, there was one question that was lingering as well. I feel like for me that was the biggest one, but it's not really that big as well.
Which one?
What's your take on poly, based on what you've said before, that you'd never be in a polygamous relationship?
Yeah, I think I did say once upon a time on the show that I would never in my damn life. But look at me now.
Never say that it won't happen to me, because life has funny ways of proving us wrong. You know what I
said? You never did it, Kosa.
Yeah, I also said that. I was like, me, Kosa, I cannot. But here I am. And that was the
serious. What is this law?
I don't know. Don't entertain those people. So yeah, I was like, me, Kosa, Angeg, but unfortunately, but I feel like it's because
unfortunately.
What do you mean unfortunately?
Oh, unfortunately. So I say fortunately. Yeah, unfortunately.
You don't twist my words. I said
you said unfortunately. What are you implying?
Inhliziyo yaphakelwa
manje le balloon kwenzakalani?
That's a gift. You know what we say in Zulu? Inhliziyo yaphakelwa. Kasi Sotho re pelo e ja serati. So the heart wants whatever it wants. Whether wena nama-rules wani ukuthi wena umuntu osesithembweni ngeke awuhlanyi never. Like the heart doesn't know that. That's the brain. The brain says the opposite thing, but the heart is like, But then let me not disturb you from your show. You can continue watching.
I'm in love and leave you. I'm just shy.
Bye, Mama.
We'll talk later. Sharp.
Ciao.
Hi bazala bam, guys, that is Usima, guys, with alleged new boyfriend, which is Andile Mofokeng. Guys, we know that Usima and Andile yesterday they posted a video that trended #1, guys. A lot of people, they thought Usima no Andile they're in a relationship, but I think on that live, as much as it feels like, it looks like they're confirming that they are in the dating part, it's just giving, no, it's just content. Because at first, before Usima did it, before Usima joined the live andile bekaloku athi abantu bawamnika ama-gift uzosho iqiniso nani nani. And Usima usazavume, one of the people who were there on the panel asked, are you dating, guys? Wabuza uChomo niqinga ntoni? uChomo wathi, I think you are dating. Wathi yiyo ke leyo. That means Usima is responding to what people they are saying. But then I do not think they're dating, guys. Mara, the picture that she posted few minutes after the live, this live, guys, in about 11 p.m. past 11. So after the live, Usima posted the picture that I posted there with Isandla Sakhe nesomunye umuntu, and it looks like Isandla Sakhe Andile, that hand, guys. Mind you, Andile has already 2 wives. Yes, Sisemncane, he's 27, but unamakhosikazi ayi-2 walobolile wacitile, not girlfriends, amakhosikazi ayi-2 and 1 son. So but during the week, people who were joining ama-lives wakhe but during the week, bekaloku athi no, I want to join, I'll introduce wife number 3, and the name start with S. We know it's Usima. People are saying now Usima just because he has been saying he'll introduce wife number 3, and even the first wife has posted the picture Andile no Usima, meaning even the first wife uyayivuma indaba ukuthi Usima to join his team busabo, guys. I don't wanna lie, I'm happy for Usima. I do not see anything wrong about the polygamy. Mina, I for one, I'm happy for Usima, and I think Usima really needs someone. Yes, Andile is a content creator, but Andile, I think like more focus, and I do not think ukuthi Andile anyaka kwazi ukubonisa Usima la wrong khona. I think Usima udinga aba-friends who are very disciplined, or boyfriend who very disciplined, because khona izinto ey'ncanyana azenzayo man ezingekho right, like going live aphuzile. Last time she was live awudaki umona Usima udakiwe now, and I don't think that is good for a brand yakhe. That is a good image for a brand yakhe. I think her dating Andile uzongena endleleni, and I think they'll be happy. More than anything, I wish them to be both happy. And if bayashada or if bayajola, if they do love each other, I do not see anything wrong. But Bazana Mzito, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.